Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Heroku PaaS Review My Usage Experience. Heroku PaaS Review My Usage Experience offers a platform as a service PaaS solution for deploying and managing applications. It's primarily targeted at developers and businesses needing a simple way to get their applications online without managing servers. Key features include easy deployment, scaling capabilities, and various add-on services. Their website provides details on specific offerings and pricing. Heroku's positioning is centered around ease of use and rapid deployment. They emphasize a streamlined development process, promising to handle the infrastructure complexities so developers can focus on coding. Their website highlights the various pricing plans, and while there are different tiers, it seems transparent. They offer a free tier for smaller projects, which is a nice touch. The technology uses containerization for application deployment. Availability is global, and you can check the specific region options on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Heroku PaaS Review My Usage Experience. I recently used Heroku to deploy a small personal project, a simple web application built with Python and Flask. Getting started was surprisingly straightforward. The documentation was clear and concise, and the Heroku CLI made the deployment process incredibly smooth. It literally took less than 15 minutes from having my code ready to having a live website. The interface is fairly intuitive. Navigating the dashboard to manage my app's resources was easy. I found scaling my app to handle a temporary increase in traffic equally straightforward. The performance was excellent, and I experienced no downtime during my testing. I had a quick question about setting up a custom domain, and their support responded within a day via email, a very positive experience. A definite pro was how simple it was to deploy and scale my application. The standout feature for me was definitely the integrated logging and monitoring tools which provided real-time insights into my application's performance. One minor drawback was the pricing model, as it can become quite expensive for larger applications or high-traffic websites. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Heroku for smaller projects. It's a powerful tool that significantly simplifies the deployment process. That's my overview of Heroku PaaS Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.